Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Minty Axe. This highly sought-after harvesting tool was originally part of a special promotion. It quickly became a fan favorite due to its unique design and limited availability. Understanding its history is key to knowing its current status. Let's dive into how players originally obtained this cool item. The primary way to get the Minty Axe was through a special holiday promotion. Players purchased physical V-Bucks gift cards from participating retailers, like GameStop, during a specific event. Each card included a unique code that, when redeemed in Fortnite, granted the player the Minty Axe. This method made it a truly exclusive item for those who participated in the promotion. Unfortunately, the original promotion for the Minty Axe concluded quite some time ago. This means the axe is no longer available for direct purchase or through new V-Bucks card redemptions from official sources. Its limited-time nature makes it a rare cosmetic. While some third-party sellers might claim to have codes, extreme caution is advised due to potential scams and unofficial practices. It's crucial to be very careful when looking for rare items like the Minty Axe. Unofficial websites or individuals claiming to sell codes are often scams. Epic Games does not endorse or support the buying, selling, or trading of accounts or in-game items outside of their official store. Your best bet is to enjoy the many new and exciting items regularly released in the game.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.